What up, YouTube? Mr. Phillies Fan 04 coming back to you with a mystery pack video. There will be 3 packs, $15 each, PayPal. And here's the first pack. First we have a Dominic Viciello jersey, a Josh Barfield auto, a Jason Giambi auto, what am I thinking? 2-piece jersey, and Elvis Andrus auto from Museum out of $2.99. That's the first pack. The second pack, we have a Brandon Hicks auto. We have a Zach Greinke jersey out of 36, a Don Mattingly jersey with pinch type, and a Drew Stubbs auto out of 570. And the last pack, there's only 3. Jamie Jarman auto, Carlos Gonzalez bat, Kevin Youkilis short print, and Jeremy Hermida. On almost all these packs, you almost make your money back where you do. And then the first, whenever all the mystery packs are sold out, I will do the video on that then. And whoever buys some stuff from me or buys a mystery pack from me will be entered into a raffle to win this Dallas McPherson auto jersey out of 30 for free. So this, if you get a mystery pack, you'll have a chance of getting this too. That's really nice. Just let me know, guys. Please, really want to sell them today. And if you could buy one, please let me know. Thanks.